What's up guys, good morning. Hey, today's Monday.
It's his birthday.
Happy birthday to me. We're on a ferry right now. We're going to Bataan. We're going to Bagak in Las Casas, and we're taking ferry going to Bataan instead of taking a land transportation. It's fiesta here. Thank you, thank you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy
so much. Thank you. We just got off from our free shuttle service from the ferry port from Orion. Right now we're here in Balanga bus terminal, and we're heading to Bagak. We're gonna get off at Friendship Tower to take tricycle going to Las Casas. There's Po. Welcome to Las Casas, Filipinas, de Acuzar.
That's where we are.
Yeah, look, wow.
We just arrived. We took the ferry over this morning. I got on at 7:30 in Manila. And by the time we get here, it's 11 now. And rooms aren't available until 3. So we have our little bands, and we will see what's around here and see what they have to offer.
We're gonna be here for 3 days. 3, so let's see. Wanna say hi, Kuya? Hey.
Hello.
Welcome to Las Casas.
Here we are. We're just going to now do Pika Pika. Let's go do some Pika Pika.
We are at the beach here. We're just witnessing the sunset, of course, because we love sunset. Can you guys see it? I wonder if you can see it. I think it's gone. Yeah. Anyways, yeah, we are witnessing the sunset here. And hi po.
Hello.
Hi. Vlogging here. What's
Nice.
up?
It's nice, peaceful out here.
Yep, I'm just telling them I'm 27 already. Lots of things learned, challenges accepted, lots of, yeah, I mean,
That's a beautiful sunsets.
exactly, especially with him.
This is a beautiful one happening right now.
It's really red. I hope we're getting it beautifully as well on our time lapse here with our little friend DJI Osmo.
No,
Yeah.
hopefully he's not standing right in front of it. God, that's beautiful.
I just want to say thank you to 27 years and looking forward to 27 more years of my existence. It's been a crazy, rough ride, fun,
Crazy, rough ride, and fun.
right? Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that sun. Oh, wow. There it goes.
Thank you. 27 years. Thank you.